up everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. And you need to subscribe button. Yes. And you need the notification bell for me. For your bomber job. Okay, so you did it. And also need the notification bell. Do it for your boy myself. Okay, so you did it. Okay, so let's get back to the video. Okay, today I'm gonna tell you the story that pigs. This kid, I'm gonna make a vlog about songs. You can sing one night, and nice, you'll run. 1, 2, buckle my shoe, 3, 4, buckle some more, buckle some more, 5, 6, 19 kicks. Here's the actual line. 1, 2, buckle my shoe, 3, 4, buckle some more, 5, 6, 19 kicks. That's great. Goodbye, that wasn't actually.